Hey loves, Dima here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Tap the red subscribe button on your interface and also tap the notification bell icon close to the subscribe button to join my family. In today's video, we are going to be turning white hair to black hair and also grow long hair. Please keep watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back. My first ingredient is guava leaves. Yes, guava leaves can treat gray hair and their regular use gives you black hair. Guava leaves have analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that are necessary for healthy hair. The antioxidants and vitamins content in guava leaves makes it very effective cure for gray hair. I'm so sorry. I know you may be wondering why I'm sounding this way. That's because I have flu. I have catarrh and it's kind of worrisome. So I'm so sorry about my voice, but I'm glad you can hear me at least. So I started by plucking the guava leaves. Afterwards, I poured water in the bowl containing the guava leaves just to wash them because they come with a lot of dust and dirt. You just have to wash it thoroughly because it's something you're putting on your hair. Next, I cut them into tiny bits with my fingers just to help my blender because we are going to be blending this. Guava leaves are an ancient beauty remedy because they are packed with vitamin B complex, which can prevent hair loss and promote hair growth at the same time. Guava is the fruit of the season. Its rich levels of vitamin C can do wonders for our health, but for the fact that its leaves can kickstart the production of healthy hair growth, that is what makes this fruit a miraculous savior for us. After plucking the guava leaves, I transfer them into my blender cup, and then I'm going to move over to the next ingredient, which is henna. You already know the benefits of henna for our hair growth, so I won't be going into details on that. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of henna powder. We are going to be blending that together with the guava leaves and a few other ingredients. We are going to be blending all of that. There is nobody who do not know that henna colors hair black. So this is the natural remedy for coloring hair. So I use 2 tablespoons of that, and you already know about indigo powder. So I'm going to be using indigo powder in 1 tablespoon. So we are going to be blending all these ingredients together. So all in all, this is what I have in my blender. I'm going to be adding some water to it to help with the blending process. Not so much water, but I'm just going to be adding just as it to be enough. I eyeballed that. I'm so sorry, I won't be giving you a specific measurement on that. So after blending, I actually blended off camera. After blending, here is what it looks like. The reason why you're adding the henna and the indigo is just for this to form a uniform paste, just for everything to be uniform, basically kind of mixing everything together. So after squeezing out all the juice, this is what the chaff looks like. I'll go ahead and discard that. So our hair coloring treatment is ready for application. Go ahead and make yours this way and you definitely get it right. This 3 combination is the bomb. It works magic. Use it to coat your hair. Use it every week and you will see results in 8 weeks time or 4 weeks time, depending on your hair type. So I'm transferring that into a beaker just to show you guys what this looks like. I don't have gray hair. I don't have gray hair yet. I would have demonstrated this. So you go ahead and try this and see how it works for you. That's all for this video, guys. Ask your questions in the comments below and I'll do well to reply. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.